Hi there guys, in this video I will show you how to fix try again later error in Instagram. Firstly, what you can do if you get out to that problem, you need to make a screenshot on that section which says try again later, and then you need to go on your profile section and tap on the three dots icon on your right upper side. Then you need to go for settings and you need to go for the setup for set help. Then you need to go for report a problem and go for report a problem on the third selection. Right after that, you need to get that screenshot from your gallery, or you can take it if it's on your side now. Then here you need to explain what's going on with this problem, and you'll need to see that it can get up to this point. For example, if you said I cannot see the post, thanks, and go for submit, and right after that you'll need to wait 24 hours to get a feedback from the Instagram supporting team. The second thing what you need to do, you need to get up again to your settings side here on your Instagram account, and you need to go to the side which says, firstly you have also options which are getting through this process, but you need to choose the right option here, and the right option right here is the fourth selection which says security. Now on the security side, as you can see, also here you have many options, but you need to choose the fourth option which says two-factor authentication. Go click on it and then go for get started. Now as you can see here, you need to choose your security method, and on this step we're gonna get up through the side which is text message, because this is one of the most easiest and also the most safest things to get up to the Instagram side. Now here you'll need to get a confirmational code which will be sent to your phone number. Now we need to wait to that send, and if I tap on, as you can see here it is, the site will go just copy and I will paste it right here. Now I will need to go next, and right after that it will set done, or it will get up to this blue site. Now I'll go with done, and these are all recovery sites you can get and take a screenshot for, I don't know, maybe someday you forgot that recovery code, which can get you in some problem if you forget it, because maybe sometimes it says that you need to provide the last recovery code that you have sent it before. I hope guys help you. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video, and see you soon.